Hey, what's up guys, and thanks for tuning in to Nerd Gadget. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Poetic Spartan case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 right after this. If you could please subscribe to this channel, also hit the like and share this content out, as it truly does help out my channel. We're going to be reviewing this case using a dummy unit, and the reason why is because my actual Z Fold 6 has a case on it with the adhesive strips. So instead we're going to look at it with the dummy unit, but you still should get the feel of how this will look with the official Z Fold 6. Here's a quick guide on how to use the kickstand and also replace the adhesive strips. Gonna put that to the side. Let's get right to it and remove all of this here. And let's slap this part in real quick. And then do the same here. Pop this back. Drop it in there. It should be good to go. And there's even a slot for the S Pen. So let's go ahead and get the S Pen. This is the side that will go in, but you don't do the wide side here. You do the narrow side and just drop it in and then push down. And it's in there. Now you see those two arrows? You could put your fingernail under this side or this side to pull this actual S Pen slot out. You could turn it around for ultimate protection or to keep it in place, just like that. And your S Pen is with the case now. Again, when you're ready to take it out, put your fingernail under that side or this side and just pull it out. Now if you want to go ahead and remove it from this slot, you just peel back here a little bit, grab the pen, and you're good to go. But with that stated, you have a cutout here for the front camera or the external camera, access to the power slash fingerprint reader, volume rocker, cutouts at the top, at the bottom. Camera's protected, as you can see here. The lenses are nice and deep. Then for the kickstand, peel this back here. And you have the kickstand, which is nice. Landscape or portrait mode. So I definitely think this case is nice. I like the gunmetal finish on here and feels pretty good. Easy to hold, it's not slippery. This feels like a winter case that will give you ultimate protection for your Z Fold 6. And if you look here at the screen, it does have a decent lip on there, so your screen is protected. And when it's open, you have that protection. But all in all, I definitely think this is a nice case that will provide full protection for your Z Fold 6, even hinge protection, as you can see here. Now, if you're interested in the Poetic Spartan case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, I will have a link posted in the description section of this video. But this completes my quick unboxing and review of the Poetic Spartan case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6.